and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to add another card to your Chase app. The first thing you need to do is open the Chase mobile app on your device, then enter your username and password to log in. Once you've done this, tap on the More menu, which is the three horizontal lines at the top left corner. Tap on Account Management. Next, you have to tap on Add a new card or Add credit/debit card. Then you have to enter the new card's information, including card number, expiration date, security code, that is CVV, and then tap on Next to proceed. Next, you have to verify the new card because Chase may send a verification code to the phone number associated with your account. So enter the verification code to confirm the new card. Tap on Setup Card Allows to enable notifications for the new card, and then choose the types of alert you want to receive. It could be transactions, payments, etc. Next, you have to confirm the new card by reviewing the new card's information to ensure it is accurate and tapping on Confirm.